Hello everyone, welcome new members and old members. We are back again with another video. Today we are going on a roadie, so you don't want to miss that one out. But before we do that, we will take you to church with us. Come and spend the Sunday with us. See you soon.
Molly's a singer in the band. This one says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly
Quick stop before we get to church.
Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Takes a trolley to
Aww.
takes it back to Molly.
What up? Oh, it's a great. Relationship is gone.
Oh, bloody,
What's out first?
life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, ooh, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built their home, sweet home. With a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace.
And come along and roadie with us as we make our way to Tauranga.
Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still singing with the band. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, ooh, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Desmond has a barrow in the marketplace. Molly's a singer in the band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly says his as she's taking him by hand. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. La, 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 life goes on. La, 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 life goes on.
It's RJ.
Bad man carrying a vibe.
Deep fame one time for the vibe, yo.
Everywhere me talk alone, so reason to be down. Every look at them me do got me coming for my blessings. For the air that I breathe from my friends and my families, bad man I feel going with it, but I swear I'm not stressing. Cause you see where we are come from. Like once I one day I young done. Hustling from sun up to sundown. Praying that the blessings that come down. I know, you know where I belong. 6 foot below, swear no one wanna be. I should me woke up feeling grateful. Got the thought is that then I must give the job in the life I got.
Guess who's at my home, guys?
I should me woke up feeling grateful. Me not sleep in a big mansion, but me woke up next to the ones I love. Listen now, cause I realized that I'm fighting for life. Soon as I open my eyes, thanks for another day. I realized so I really feel make things alright. All of my days, great blessings shall follow me. Wake wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. You got blessing, I can wipe on your door. Just go to know your knees, give praises and receive. From the God to you, raise me. So much is into blessing. Believing like we know blessing. Where we are come from. Like a once and one day I'm done. I select them soon after sundown. Pray that the blessings that come down. I don't know, you know where I belong. 6 foot below, it's where no one gonna be. That's when we woke up feeling grateful. Got the door to set the night, must get the job in the life I got. I know. That's when we woke up feeling thankful. Me not sleep in a big mansion. Me woke up next to the ones I love. Listen now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reggie. Happy birthday to you. Manu yalo wasofano. Manu yalo wasofano. Manu yalo wasofano. Make a wish and then blow your candle.
Cause I realize that I'm fighting for life. And if I hustle and grind, then blessings shall come my way. I realize that worry nothing make things alright. All of my days, great blessings shall follow me. And so me woke up feeling grateful. Got the door, that's a thing I must have. Get the job in the life I got. I know woke up feeling thankful. Me not sleep in a big mansion. Me woke up next to the ones I love. Listen now. We found the God, so you raised me. Somebody is into blessing. Live life with no stressing. You never take it for granted. I know you know, yes I know that you know. You know, 6 foot below, it's where no one's gonna be. And so me woke up feeling grateful.
Got the tools, that thing I must. Get the job in the life I got. T-Fame, don't know. Don't Nelia. Out check. Just deep on the mix.
Run free, boy, run free. That's what I would've said to the young me. Sometimes I feel I grew up just a little fast. Sometimes I wish I was an old me. I still pour it up and keep it lit. With the friends that I came up with. Smooth sailing like we on the ship. We don't worry about it. And we don't worry about it.
Archie boy.
So don't you worry
Hi
about
guys, we're getting ready to go to the pools.
So don't you worry about it. Reminiscing childhood. Backpacks and VCRs. Snapbacks and first cars. Ooh, what a feeling. After school we get aboard. Around the crew like rollerboard. Skating till the sun down. Grab a chicken, fool around. Fake IDs and hit the town. Hit the blunt but we don't hit the ground. Planning a vacation over New Year's but we barely had the money to go have some Nike shoe pairs. Never watching TV, no screens but sunscreen, suntans and bikinis. Never watching TV, no screens but sunscreen, suntans and bikinis. Run free, boy, run free. That's what I would've said to the young me. Sometimes I feel I grew up just a little fast.
Yeah, I'm now leaving the pools.
I still pour it up and keep it lit. With the friends that I came up with.
I'm in water.
Smooth sailing like we on the ship.
That was a nice swim. Yeah. How was the pool, Zach?
Good.
What did did you enjoy about the cruise?
I
Don't worry about it.
want to jump, but I'm not allowed to jump. It's my turn.
Hey, growing up, we didn't have it all. I used to jump the fence and play some basketball. Instead of sending tweets, I used to send a call. Instead of Ubering, I used to walk up to the mall like, hey, hi, gap it from security. Cause we like the moral purity. Yeah. But man, it's just the way it went. Some of the best years I ever spent. Going halves on a box, like it actually mattered, I could barely take a shot. All that really mattered was the company I got. And everything else was just a hand inside the clock. And now getting Insta famous for a like is not a shot. Snapchat strangers for a boost is all you got. It's funny when the time changed, but for some of us it never changed.
Hello.
Okay.
Hi everybody, today we were doing a race and Archie's here with me and I already won the first race, so now we're gonna do another race.
Let's go! Thank you for tuning in, everyone. I hope you've all enjoyed watching the birthday vlog with us. Anyway, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you later.